All right, so today is Friday, and that means we are getting ready to introduce another pet of the day who's up for adoption. So let me get this camera turned around and introduce you to the star, which is Vander. Vander, come here, Vander. And so Vander is a 5-year-old hound. He was an owner surrender. He's apparently an escape artist, basically. The previous owner shared that he will escape out of metal crates, plastic crates, jump over fences, go missing. So he's definitely going to need somebody who can pay good attention and supervise him well. He also gets along well with other dogs. He lived with other dogs. However, he is probably, they shared with us that he likes to chase cats. So whether he likes them or not, cats might not like him back because he does like to chase cats. So probably not the best hound or dog if you've got some cats. But he's definitely a sweet, sweet boy, 5 years old, 60 pounds. Tree walker hounds tend to get anywhere from about 50 to 70 pounds. So he may still, I think he's 60 pounds. I think I said that. He still may have another 10-ish pounds to grow into his size. But super cute, kind of an escape artist, but very active, would be great with an active family. And so if you're thinking about adopting a pet, Vander here is up for grabs. There's also 2 other hounds at the Utah Humane Society shelter. Apparently Vander's hungry and eating some grass. So if you guys are thinking about adding to your family, definitely check out Vander. Hey Ty, hey Ted. Hope you both are doing great. Great to see you both. And thank you so much for watching.